Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I apologize. It is a very cloudy day, but I found these costume ball dolls for $15 again. I have them all. I have some of them in doubles, but when I saw this, I thought, you know what? I just need that outfit for $15. That is so cute. Even the crown has spiders on it. Can you see that today? It is so cloudy in here. She's a beautiful doll, but that outfit is, oh, I don't even know where you get that fabric. They have an exclusive on their fabrics. All right, let's see what we got from AliExpress. Oh, my shoes came. These are not what I ordered. These are not what I ordered. We need a picture of these, Darren. Oh, yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Okay. I didn't see the shine. I love that. Ellie Nefret and I are magpies. Aren't those cute little silver shoes? Bought them in 1/4. We'll see if they fit my smart dolls. I got a tip from Shauna at Unique US, what is it? Unique US 37, I think.
Unique 37 US, maybe?
There you go, that's it. See, Darren even remembers. We say it all the time. She's been so helpful. Aren't these cute little platforms? Oh, cute, cute, cute. All right, let's see what else we did get. I tossed stuff on the floor behind me, and then afterwards I go through it one more time and make sure. Oh, these are cute. But I think these are the bigger size. I think these, you know what? Oh, yeah, I can open this. All right. These, oh, maybe not. Maybe these are the 1/4. How cute are these? I know a lot of you have seen these, but seriously, and for the price, it's unreal. Look at this. What did they do?
Something
seriously, what, a rat was in the, God. We were traveling, and I saw these.
I hope nothing else got lost. There's a pair of shoes in there.
Oh, gosh. Sure enough. Sure enough. I buy these little sandals. These are the 1/4 doll size. The 1/4 BJD size on AliExpress. They're like $2.83, something like that. The Smart Doll's heel does hang off just a little bit, but from... You know, it's okay. It's not the fit I like, but from the front, these are so cute. I mean, so cute. I bought a couple Blythes. Look, another pair. I got the black. I bought a couple Blythes. Both have a reason. Little black pair, aren't they cute? And Callista has on the pink. And as I understand it, I have another smart doll coming, supposed to be here today. It was supposed to be here yesterday. We're filming this early. And as I understand it, the feet of the pairs are the same size as the, oh, I've been waiting for this. But this is not as nice. It does have a net, but it does not have the silicone cap. But I have bought, I think I bought 3 of the silicone caps, and I might go back and get more of those. I can barely keep a wig on without them on my smart dolls. So anyway, I bought those shoes hoping that they will fit everybody. We'll see. All right. Oh. I had been looking at this doll for a while, and then La La Land Gala got one, and I had to have her. I am not pulling her out of this because this hair will explode. She has can you see that in the, yeah. She has a little Brillo pad, only it's soft for hair. Let's check her eyes. And Gala named her Boba. Boba or Babo? Really cute name. Oh. Yeah, that's me, not the eyes. Okay. Just wanted to check them. Wanted to check the knees. Let me check the hip. Yep, we're good. We are good. She is going to be for a challenge I am going to be offering soon. And the challenge is going to be flower. However you want to do a doll, any doll, flower. If you want to make her into a flower, oh, I could leave that open. Or if you want to make it a flower dress or buy it a flower dress, I will be announcing the dates and times and everything on that soon. I just thought it would be fun. I have an idea for this one. And I think her name's going to be Petal. Petal, or I like that flower petal. Oh no, maybe I did order two. Maybe I thought, yeah, that is cute and I need two because the one's going to be a flower. Okay, I'll have to check my order. Let's check these. Looks good. I'm not taking that hair off at this time, but oh God, is that the cutest? Oh, Doris Dollies calls them powder puffs, which is very appropriate. Yep, we're good on eyes. I'm just going to put her back because I'm hanging on to that hair. Oh, she's so cute. And then this one should be a replacement doll. When I love these dolls, the little pink-haired dolls. It's what it should. Oh no, this should be a different pink-haired doll. Where's the? Let's see what it is. I have two pink-haired dolls coming. One is for a collab, and the other one is for replacement dolls. When I do a custom, I get another one in, and I have. Oh yeah, this is for the. Look at her! Oh my God! Another one. I'm not going to set the hair free on just yet. Oh gosh! You know what? I might. Because I want that hair to relax for the upcoming collab. Someone and I are doing a collab. You know, I am going to set her hair free. Oh, it's not what I thought it would be. It looked less curly in the, look, someone else's hair got left in the machine. I thought it was less curly and longer. Yeah, a lot longer, like down to here. But I still like her. I still like her. And it'll be longer by the end of the day. Oh, she's adorkable. Just adorkable. So look for that upcoming collab. I need to get her a stand and some rubber bands to pull that hair down a little bit. My birthday month was over, and Darren had run to Walmart. We always go the day after a holiday just to tip and buy the candy. A lot of times, you know, it's like the bite size or single size or whatever they call them now. Candy bars, we eat those for dessert. And this is the look what you didn't get list. I'm sure you've seen them. Anyway, he went to get candy the day after Easter. And yes, he was successful. And he surprised me bringing this home. He got me one more of these, but he does that all the time. Little bag that it comes in. I don't have a clue because I'm not that familiar with them. I really like the way they wrap these. I wrap them back up. Oh, these are the shoes. I thought it said, no, it says shoes. Cool. These are cute. They would be cuter without shadow all over them, but they're cute and it's all about shadow. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.